Hey, hi guys, I'm Nawal Yamal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see how to use a quick measure and calculate total YTD using a quick measure. Yeah, so we are loading a financial sample dataset. When you click on this try sample dataset, you will be loading this. And in this financial sample dataset, we have only one table and there is no dimension table in this. So let us create a dimension table by using a new table and creating a calendar function or calendar auto function to create a new dimension date table. So let me click on this data view, and here you have a option called new table. So I'm going to create a new dimension table. So now you may watch my previous recording videos that how and why this dim date is important. So we have discussed in detail there why this dim date table is required. So I'll call dim date and I'll be using a function called calendar auto. So it will automatically detect a minimum date and maximum date from this financial dataset, and it will show you all the results here. Okay. So now let me show you how you can calculate year to date by using a quick measure, and I'll show you by using a formula also. So let us take a table here and let us put few things in this. Like let me drag and drop, or you can just select date, and also you can select the sales amount. Okay, I want to do YTD on the sales column. Okay, yeah, now you can see the results here. Like for all the date you are getting a same sales amount. Let me just increase the text size so it can be visible for you. Just go to view themes, just go to text and just increase the font size. Okay, now you can see that. Now can you think on why this is happening? For every day you have same sales, the reason here is we haven't built any data model. There is no relationship between these two tables, that financial table and the dim date what we have created. So we need to create a relationship. So here we may have a repeated value. This is your fact table and this is your dimension table. So you can drag date and you can say that, hey, these two dates are same or these two are matching. We need to create a relationship. So it will create a relationship with the dimension table 1 with the fact table as many. So you get relationship 1 to many. So now if you come to your report view, you can see all the dates are now changing. All the values have been changed. Now let us calculate YTD. So let me do it by using a formula first by taking a new measure. So go to new measure and write a formula, DAX formula like YTD. Let me zoom this by just pressing Control and scroll up, equal to. So I'll be using total YTD formula, user intelligence. So it is asking me for the expression. So I want to use sum of the sales amount because I want to run the YTD on the sales column, which is inside the financial table. Put a comma, then it is asking me for the dates. So actually my dates are in the dim date table, and I want to apply the filter and do the calculation by date wise. So I guess I have closed the bracket. Now let me click on OK, and your new measure YTD will be created here. So let me drag that YTD into the table, drag and drop. Now you can see here, let me remove the day from this hierarchy. I removed the day. Now you can see. So September, October, November, December, these four are added and it is shown in the December. So year to date. So starting from September till December, your total sales is this much. When you are looking at 2014, starting from January, the sales is the same. For February, it will add these two, January and February. The result is shown here. In March, it will show you addition of January, February, March. The result is shown in March. Similarly, in April, you can see it is adding January, February, March, April, and it is showing here. and at the end it is adding everything, and you can see that this is your YTD of the year December 2014 month December. Now let me do the same by using a quick measure. So let me click on quick measure. Sorry, let me click on quick measure. You can do that without writing any DAX by just dragging and dropping few of the fields. I don't want measure. So let me click on quick measure. Yeah, quick measure. So this is the tool, like you will create a new measure in this, but by just dragging and dropping. So you can see here total year to date. Now it is asking for the base value on which column you want to make. So just drag sales and drop it here. And it is asking me for the date. So let me take this date and drop it here. So let me click on OK. So automatically a DAX is created behind the scene, and you will be getting a measure called sales YTD, and they have using this if statement. But you concentrate on this one, like this is what exactly we have done: total YTD, sum, dim date and date. Now let me take that sales YTD and put that into the same table, and let me drag and drop it. You will get the same results. So this is how we have done YTD, and by using a new measure, writing a DAX, and YTD by using a quick measure. So similarly, we can do for MTD, QTD also. Thank you for watching this video, guys. So if you like the content, so please do subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you again for watching. Keep learning.